Suppose I have downloaded a project from GitHub and wanted to test it. So simply go to your Visual Code Studio and we need requirement.txt file. Open it and see first are required to install. Now we need to install those requirement files. So simply open new terminal and we are good to go. Now simply type that command pip install -a.requirement file.txt. Whatever the file requirement file name is, just type that file name and hit enter. After hitting enter, you'll see all the requirement files from the internet will be downloaded and installed on your Python program, on your PC, whatever software you will have. All the requirement files are installed. Simply now you may check again or see. First, the command is pip install -a.requirement.txt. The file name, requirement file names, and hit enter. It will install all the files. If you have already installed, it will pass. Now, all the requirement files are installed successfully. Now, again, we are good to go, and we may check our file. So Python, our Python software name, and enter. So as you can see, without showing any error, it's doing its job perfectly, and it's running. Yeah, there are no errors.